Hey everybody, I wanted to put together a little video today about just navigating our problem stats course. There are a bunch of assignments each week, and I really wanted to hammer out where things go and where they get put. One of the things that I really need you guys to understand is the learning modules. Inside the learning module, there are multiple places. Inside of Blackboard, there are multiple places where things will go. So the first thing that we'll have are discussion boards. So there's a discussion board. Each week you're going to have to get it in on Wednesday night or Thursday before noon, your initial discussion, and then you'll have to do 2 responses by Monday at noon. So that's going to be true for all 8 modules. That one's pretty self-explanatory. We also have the web work assignments. By Wednesday night, you'll have to do a term quiz, and then by Sunday night, you'll have to do the modules. So there are multiple things in web work. The other part here is the project. So the project you'll submit right here. With your project, you want to make sure you follow the guidelines of your project. Now, Module 1 looks a little different than Module 2, because when you finish your project, I want you to submit it for me to grade right here. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to the next learning module, in the Module 2, and you're going to repost your project for a peer review. So you're going to post your project in 2 places, once in Module 1 and once in Module 2 for peer review. The peer reviews will have to be done by the next week, the next Wednesday. So we'll do that on every project. So you'll post project part 1 in Module 1 to get graded, and then in Module 2 to be peer reviewed. And those would be due on Wednesday. So that's the process each week. So we're doing web work, we're doing our web work, we're doing our course project, and we're doing our discussions. So in actuality, there'll be 2 discussion boards each week. One that's a discussion about the topic, one that's a discussion about your project, and then posting your project in 2 places. So that's really the essence of the course. By the way, I have put this in a calendar where you can see all these different places where you're supposed to post stuff. Okay, happy studying, keep working hard.